Hello, and welcome to our step-by-step guide for creating your medical provider profile on the Acute Doctor platform. Whether you're a doctor, nurse, psychologist, psychiatrist, or any other healthcare provider, this video will show you how to set up your professional profile quickly and easily. Let's get started. Step 1. Choose your user type. Select Medical Provider. This option is designed for all healthcare professionals, from doctors and nurses to psychiatrists and more. Step 2. Personalize your profile. Now that you've selected Medical Provider, you'll see your profile page ready for customization. Upload a background photo. Choose an image that reflects your practice. Upload your profile. Pick your logo. Add your photo or your clinic hospital logo so patients can easily recognize you. Step 3. Edit basic info. Click on the Edit Basic Info button and fill in the following details. First name and last name. A professional headline. Your country and city. Your languages, your website and contact number, and the social media section. Add links to your LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook accounts. Once all fields are complete, click Save. Step 4. Tell us about you. Go to the About section and click Edit. Provide a brief overview of your professional background and experience, then click Save. Step 5. Detail your expertise. In the Specialty section, click Edit and select the option that best describes your field of activity. Update the Experience and Education sections by entering your professional history, qualifications, and credentials. Step 6. Add your insurance partners. Finally, click on the Edit button in the Insurance section. List the companies with which you have contracts, then click Save to update your information. Your profile is ready. Congratulations! After completing these steps, your profile is set to help you connect with global patients and showcase your expertise. A well-completed profile unlocks the full potential of the Acute Doctor platform. If you have any questions or need assistance, our support team is just a click away. Thank you for watching, and welcome to the Acute Doctor ecosystem.